So morning, welcome to another SimplyDiag.net community video from the community hub in bright and sunny Cheshire. It ain't bright and it ain't sunny, but hey ho, just had a chicken and mushroom pot noodles, so it's not all bad in the world. So today we've got a 71 plate Mini Clubman in from Carcraft Northwich MOT next door. They've just asked me to have a quick look at an ABS fault on it. Plugged in, done a global vehicle scan using the KTS590. The Bosch system available from Diagnostic Connections, our awesome community partners. These are the fault codes that it's come up with. Rear left wheel speed sensor, message for the rear left wheel speed, communication codes, transmission case as well, wheel speed message, wheel speed sensor, bit of a common theme going on there. Transfer case clutch, possible overheating detected. It's a fairly common problem. Communication with the component transfer case, it says message error, so it doesn't mean it can't communicate, it means there's something on the information bus that it doesn't like. It's telling him there's a data value there that's either incorrect or implausible. It doesn't mean there's no communication. Then we've got a load of other fault codes here for can communication faulty. Again, means that there's a message it doesn't like. There's a byte of information that it doesn't like. Doesn't mean to say it can't communicate. So, looking further, if you just hang on there 1 minute, I'll swap my screens. Two minutes later. So, 2 minutes later, we've got the manufacturer's wiring diagram, courtesy of our awesome community partners, ALLDATA. We refer to this now because we actually want to know the wire colours and we've got accurate information. No better source than ALLDATA for that for us in the aftermarket, unless you go to the dealer portal itself. So we're looking at the 4 wheel speed sensors here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But particularly for our wiring colours, the connector locations and numbers, and from that we can deduce where we're actually going and what wires we're going to test. So on this vehicle, it's not that simple, okay? So if we walk over to the vehicle, our ABS wires come up, so right there where I'm shining, the ABS wire's there, and it travels up and it goes into the body. Behind that cover there, if you drop the camera down a little bit, behind that cover there, there's 2 connectors. So we've got to take the wheel off, wheel arch liner off, and then we can start investigating and testing at the component to see what's missing, what's going wrong. Is it a faulty signal? Is it a faulty power supply? Have we got a short? Something like that. We'll use the awesome Picoscope from our partners, Picoscope Automotive, to do some proper test and measurement. We're not guessing, we're not fitting a sensor that it may or may not need. So we're going to have a look for the root cause. And yeah, so have you seen this fault before? If you have, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.